to yoga time. Are you ready? I'm going to need your help because you need to guess what yoga pose we're doing today. All right, listening up. It all begins with a tiny seed which slowly grows into a leaf. And now it stands up straight and strong with roots so deep and branches long. It helps us all to breathe and live, and it makes our planet nice and green. It gives cool shade to you and me, so you know it's that's right, it's a tree. So we're going to put our cards down, we're going to stand up on our mats, getting ready. We're not going to do any moving just yet because we need to get focused first. So our toes, we're going to pretend that they're like the roots of a tree. We're going to spread our toes out onto our mat and make sure we're nice and strong, because that's what trees are, they're very strong. We're going to start with our arms by our sides. Together we're going to take a deep breath in and raise our arms up. Are we ready? Breathing in. All right, here is when we need to focus. So what I like to do is I like to find a little speck of dirt or perhaps the corner of a mat or something on the ground that I'm going to keep my eyes on and not look away, because we need to be focused in order to balance. So find something now. You can stop looking at me if you like and find something on the ground or on the wall. And once you're focused, we're very, very slowly going to lift up one foot. Now this foot is going to go either below our knee, or if you feel like you can put your foot above your knee, but it's definitely not going to touch our knee. Our knees are really important to our body, and if we keep doing this pose and keep putting our foot on our knee, we could end up breaking or hurting our knee. So we're going to put our foot below our knee or above our knee. So let's start today with just below. Make sure you're focused. If you get a bit wibbly wobbly, just make sure you get your eyes on that little spot, that little speck of dust or something that you're looking at. And I'm going to take a deep breath in and out, and a deep breath in and slowly out. All right, now in order to be balanced, we need to do it on the other side. So let's shake that out, shake that out, shake that out. Okay, let's get focused again. Feet nice and strong and straight. Our toes are like roots into the ground. We're going to take a deep breath in all together. Breathing in. Hands together. Now a little trick that I like to do is I like to cross my thumbs over to keep my hands stuck together. Sometimes my hands come apart. So if I cross my thumbs over, sometimes it's a bit easier to keep my hands together. So if you'd like to do that, you're very welcome to. All right, now this is the time we're going to get focused. So we're going to look at something on the ground or on the wall behind us. We're going to be very strong and straight. We're going to take a deep breath in and out. All right, now we're going to lift up our opposite foot. So get your opposite foot this time, and we're going to put it below our knee. And we're going to be focused. You can relax your shoulders a little bit. We're going to take a deep breath in all together, breathing in and out. One more big breath in together. Ready? Breathing in and out. All right, let's shake that out, shake that out. Beautiful job, guys. Well done.